Test out this tempting recipe for delectable pastry puffs with custard cream. In a saucepan, combine milk, cornstarch, sugar, egg yolks, and vanilla extract. Mix well and cook on medium heat, stirring constantly for about 3 to 4 minutes, until thickened. Remove from heat, add butter, and mix until smooth and glossy. Cover with plastic wrap and set aside. Next, roll out pre-made puff pastry into a thin sheet, cut into squares, and shape as shown in the video. Place on a baking sheet, prick centers with a fork, and brush with egg wash. Bake at 350-degree Celsius for 15-20 minutes. Let cool completely. Fill with custard using a piping bag, and garnish with berries and fruits. Check the description for full details.